Hello, my dear student. Today I will take up the story, The Thief's Story, written by one of the greatest writers of India. Actually, he is from England and he is a British descendant. He lives in India and he used to write articles for magazines and newspapers, and he has written a number of stories and poems for the children of India, and he is very popular among the people of this country. The Thief's Story is one of the finest stories written by him, and in this story he has a moral that we can change or transform the behavior of a person by our love, affection, by kindness, by cooperation, by our tolerance. If we are a good human beings, we can also transform a thief into a good human being. And this has been proved by the character of Anil, who is a 25-year young man. He is very lean and thin, and in this story there are two characters. One is Anil, who is 25 years old, and another is a boy, a minor, who is 15-year-old, and his job is to steal the money, and he is very good in his job, and it is his habit to select a person to whom he wants to rob. At the wrestling match, his eyes fell on Anil, an easy target, and he start talking to him, and he start flattering him, and he says, you look like a wrestler. And Anil smiles and he says that he is not a wrestler, but he is also if I am a wrestler, you are also a wrestler. And there the conversation starts, and he says that he can do anything for him. He is in need of money. Anil says that if he can cook for him, he says, yes, I can cook for him. He says, I cannot give you the money, but I can feed you and give you the shelter. The boy agrees to it, and he tells it that his name is Hari Singh. Actually, it is not his real name. He keeps on changing his name because he is a thief, and he is afraid of being arrested by the police or being identified by his former employer. And he start living with Hari. Hari has not the regular income. He keeps on writing articles for the magazine newspapers, and he gets money whenever his checks arrive, and but he is not able to pay him regularly to Hari Singh, but he gives him money, and for purchasing the vegetables and the other things, eatables items. And from this also Hari steals 1 rupee per day. Anil knows it very well, but he does not mind it. Okay. The first time he cooks for Anil, the food was totally spoiled because he does not know how to cook the food. And Anil looks at the food, and he gives it to the stray dog, and he pets on his back, and he tells him that he will teach him how to cook the food. And he also tells him that he will also teach him how to write sentences, how to identify the numbers, etc., etc., because education is more important than anything else in the world. One day Anil brings a bundle of notes, and Anil tells him that he has got this money, and now he is in a position that he will pay him regularly. And he puts that bundle of notes, that is about 600 rupees, bundle of notes of 50 rupees, and he puts it under the carpet, and the thief Hari Singh looks at it, and he thinks that he can steal the money at night when Anil sleeps. And as soon as Anil sleeps at night, he start working. He just steal the money. He goes out of the room, and he wants to go to somewhere. He reaches at the station, and he saw at the station the Lucknow Express is leaving very slowly, and if he wants, he can catch the train and get into it, but he does not do that. He lets it go. He is sitting on the bench, and it is start raining, and he gets wet, and he is also feeling some cold, and he goes to the park, but he is moving here and there. He thinks that he cannot stay in a hotel because he can be arrested, and he thinks that he should not rob Anil, because Anil has full trust in him and believes in him, and he should not deceive him. It is a breach of trust. But later on, he thinks a second thought comes to his mind that he is a thief, and it is no matter whether the person is good or whether he believes or trusts him or not. It does not matter for him. He is a thief, and thief for thief is the money is important, and 600 rupees is a big amount, and he can live like Arabs, like a rich Arab, means he can lead a very lavish life for 1 or 2 weeks. But again, this idea, uh, comes to his mind, and he thinks that he should not do this. He should go back to his room, and he should return the money. What Anil will think about him, and Anil, he is sure that Anil will not get angry with him, but he will be sad to know that his uh, trust has been uh, betrayed. He is betrayed by him. Now, finally, he decided that he should go back, and he put the money back under the carpet and he sleeps. In the morning, uh, Anil wakes up earlier than Hari Singh, and he offers him a cup of tea, and he also gives him a note of 50 rupees which is wet, and there is a smile on the face of Hari Singh, because Hari uh, thinks that Anil has come to know about the theft which has taken place, and but Anil also smiles, and he does not say anything. He does not mind it, because he knows that his money has been stolen, but he does not mind it. Uh, Here the story comes to end, and we see that a thief has been transformed into a good human being, and he has given up his habit of stealing. And it is because of the good behavior of Anil, his love and affection, his kindness, his sense of tolerance that he has bestowed upon Hari. Hari is deeply impressed by his behavior, and he thinks it is not good to deceive such a good person. And this is the moral of the story, that we can transform a person by our good behavior, by our love and affection, means by our good deeds, by our tolerance, and that has been reflected. Now, that is all about the story. After that, I will give you the MCQs, multiple choice questions, because this time, this year, you will have your multiple choice question test next month, that will be held very soon, and you will not be given subjective type questions because of the corona, because we have not been able to start the session on time, and we are late, and means examination will be held through online mode only. So next time I will give you MCQs which are based on the story, and you are supposed to select the right answer, and then I will discuss with you the answers. Okay. So with these words, I take your leave. Thank you very much for listening to me and watching this video. I hope you have understood the story. Thank you very much. Thank you all.